Hey Dinos, welcome back to another episode of Letters with Kitty Cat. That's me, Kitty Cat. Did you know that electric vehicles are great, but not everywhere? Cars that run on electricity instead of gas don't release pollution. But when you charge the car at home, where does that electricity come from? If the electricity comes from renewable sources, electric cars are great for the environment. But if you charge your car with electricity made from coal, it's not as good. The car doesn't pollute, but the power plant that charges that car does. So next time, when you see an electric car, it may be great for the environment when people say it does, but where do they get the electricity from is what you should ask them. Okay, now that we're ready, let's write our names with our favorite color crayon. Great job at writing your names. Now let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. It says that 1 is purple, 2 is red, and 3 is yellow. Let's read it one more time. 1 is purple, 2 is red, and 3 is yellow. So we're going to color where it says 1 purple. That's the body of the eel. Let's grab the purple crayon and color the body of the eel purple. Here's a photo of the eel on the right, just in case you need to know the colors. Hey Dinos, while you're coloring, do you want to know something about electric eels? Well, there are over 400 species of eels. Eels live in both saltwater and freshwater. And even though the eel looks like a snake, it's really a fish. Isn't that interesting? Great job at coloring inside the lines, Dinos. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the eel. Did you know that eels have gills and very sharp teeth? And most eels hide and live in caves and rock crevices? Next time you go diving, look for the crevices of the rocks to find the eels. Great job, Dinos, at coloring the body purple. Now it says 2 is red. So where it says 2, which is the mouth, let's color the mouth red. Again, the eel is on the right side of the screen in case you need help. Great job, Dinos. Now it says 3 is yellow. So let's color where it says 3 yellow. Here's another fun fact about eels. Although eels have the power to be bullies, they are actually not very aggressive animals. Isn't it great to have electric powers but not take advantage of it and be bullies? Okay, Dinos, you're almost done now. Great job at coloring inside the lines. I'm so proud of my Dinos. Great job, Dinos. Check out that electric eel. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye, my Dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!